Good morning. My name is Christopher Buttner, publisher of CalaverasWatchdog.com. With the Calaveras County District 3 Supervisor election having the incumbent running unopposed, the outcome is certain that Martin Huberty will be reelected. Far less certain is that Martin Huberty will still be here in office by January 2027 for the beginning of his second term, as the facts of his criminal complaint for fraudulent misrepresentation and misuse of public funds, as well as other allegations, become more extensively investigated. Likewise, the sworn complaint pending with the California Fair Political Practices Commission Enforcement Division for the same set of allegations. And then there's Martin's documented involvement with Jeffrey Epstein on behalf of Sarah Ferguson that every candidate for Calaveras County office is strongly advised to publicly address. But that's for another day. For today, my primary topic for the remainder of my time here is the Calaveras County District 5 Supervisor election, as it is the only one of two district supervisor contests that has an uncertain outcome on June 2nd with three candidates running. Logically, the winner of the contest should be an easy and clear choice for the voters. One of the candidates, former District 5 Supervisor Clyde Clapp, is running to reclaim a seat he won by recall election in 2016 and then ousted 2 years later in 2018 by current two-term incumbent Ben Stopper. So what has Clyde Clapp been up to in the intervening years? Well, in 2024, a civil court judge of the Calaveras County Superior Court ruled against Clapp in a lawsuit that cited evidence in the case establishing Clapp had likely committed elder abuse against the now deceased plaintiff during their real estate partnership. Quoting directly from the judgment after court trial from case 16 CV 41649, defendant breached his fiduciary duties towards plaintiffs. Defendant's intentional and repeated violations of his fiduciary duties towards plaintiffs were abusive within the meaning of the Elder Abuse Act. One other notable excerpt from the judgment referring to the elderly victim, the evidence has established he degenerated both physically and mentally by the time Clyde's most egregious violations occurred. Seriously, Clyde Clapp, just go away. You have no business being anywhere near Calaveras County's finances. Your conduct has been declared as predatory by the evidence. Just go away now. Now to you, Ben Stopper. There were 12 probable cause findings against you by the FPPC. Should the FPPC Enforcement Division levy substantial fines upon District 5 Supervisor Stopper while somehow he wins re-election, District 5 citizens will be left with a financially and ethically compromised supervisors whose improprieties will challenge his ability to meet his financial obligations. According to credible sources, Stopper was legitimately terminated with cause from his CCWD employment for falsification of records. He has been credibly alleged to have lived outside of District 5, leaving him open to other FPPC investigations. My name is Christopher Buttner, publisher of CalaverasWatchdog.com.